Archbishop Dr. Stephen Samuel Kazimba Mugalu omurutaya yorwe omubureberezo bwa South Rwenzo Diocese atayayire eirwariro rya Rwesande kandi ayigwireho izaro.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. And my appeal is the government should reconsider the decision of withdrawing the doctors, nurses and midwives from these hard-to-reach areas. If it's a government policy, they should have special consideration for such hard-to-reach areas like Rwesande. Oh, research should be made first.
Archbishop nagaruka agira ngo marwariro mingi gaba garahari na marwariro ga gavumenti kandi byentambara nibiba bitarije ecyari kwenda ngo gavumenti etekatekeho.
Like now expecting mothers, these are the hilly places, mountains. Transportation is not easy. But also in trains, who will help these women? Who will help the patients?
It is our prayer that this health center is uplifted to a hospital so that it becomes a hospital in this constituency. But also, it is our prayer that government supports the constituency in the establishment of other health centers.
Hona agarukire yigura nekanisa y'abana bato eya St. Luke's Kigoro Children's Church kandi Honorable Florence Kabungo uri umunyishengero kazi ahabwa district ya Kasese nagira ngo eji neza kuyamba okuza abana bato barukumanye dini.
In our culture we have a saying that a forest without young trees does not last long. The young ones that the bishop is taking care of are the ones that are going to take over us. And they are the ones that are going to keep the candle of the church burning or lighting.
Archbishop akiri omubureberezo obwo ari kutongoza projects zitara zumwe na zumwe. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.